Hi everyone. I'm going to share how to attract customers, 5 marketing questions to ask yourself to dominate the social media. Asking the right questions will help with bringing in the right prospects. So if you feel that your social media strategy isn't working, then I would highly recommend you try these 5 questions. Then listen to what you learn, what I learned from this guru, top earner in network marketing, Tyson Zanier. He made sense to me, so I wanted to share this tool with you guys. So let's get started. Maybe it will help you get more prospects too. So if it's our first time meeting, my name is Teresa Marie from teresamarieonline.com. Just let me know where you guys are joining me from today. Drop me a comment below and say hello. Question: how many people here are new to network marketing or maybe just joined a business? What kind of business are you guys in right now? Also, subscribe to my channel so you can get that notification when I upload new videos. Don't forget to like the content so I can be seen by many people. And don't forget to share this with someone who will benefit from these contents. What kind of problems are you facing with your business? Are you having trouble getting customers or clients? Are you having trouble with getting your team together? What is your biggest challenge right now? I work with network marketers and small business owners. I offer advices and suggestions that you may apply to your own business. So if you are looking to grow your business online and you don't have time like myself to stand, knocking door to door, then check out my website for my latest post on tips and shortcuts and strategies. I do post new suggestions or ideas every week on my blog to help you grow your business. So if you're looking for some kind of idea, don't forget to check it out for yourself. I also do Facebook Live every Tuesday at Eastern Standard Time. I share new ones there, and then eventually I put it on Facebook. So if you're looking for the newest ideas, definitely join me on Facebook. So let's get started. How to attract customers. 5 marketing questions to ask yourself to dominate social media. Question 1. So the question is, are you asking the right question? Many of us think when we're talking to customers that we are asking the right questions. So today I'm going to cover that for you. You can use these 5 strategies or questions right now to get leads. He shares 5 questions you need to ask yourself in order to make these strategies to work. That top guru that I told you about earlier. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get that notification when I upload new videos. Don't forget to like the content so it can be seen by many people. And don't forget to share with someone who might benefit from these contents. So the question 1 is, does my prospects ever ask question prior to buying or purchasing? Such as, what kind of question are my prospects asking right before making a buying decision? Example, think of questions prospects as Google. Say, if you own a skincare business, what kind of valuable content could you give to your prospects? It it might not ask questions like, they might ask questions like how, help with acne or wrinkles or age spots. Anytime you can answer your prospect's question, then you can get them what they want. You want to think like a buyer. Questions like, what is the buyer looking for? Not everybody is your target, so you want to target a specific group of people. So in this case, somebody might be looking at acne. If they're dealing with acne, they might want to know what are the top acne products out there that has helped many people, or what are the best acne products out there that have been used by general public. Question 2, do my prospects have a problem or frustration they are currently dealing with? My thing can solve. So like I said, do you deal with acne? Here's 5 things you can do right now to help with acne. So that's a good one. Are you looking older than your age? Here's 5 guides to help you slow down the wrinkles. Were you out in the sun too long? Here's 4 tips to help reverse the discoloration for your skin. Question 3, has anyone ever experienced something awful because they did not have your thing? Now that's obviously something it could fix the problem, but I would say definitely it's not good that they didn't have your product, so you might want to ask that question. Question 4, has anyone ever gotten great results from using your product or service? And talk about before and after. Prospects want to hear about Promise Land and what can it do for them. Whenever you're trying to ask yourself these questions, you have to kind of put yourself in their shoes and kind of figure out what problems they're having. So anything related to your product. Question 5 is, what tips could you give to a passionate audience? This is your 3%, which I'll cover in another Facebook Live or probably another YouTube, and I'll break down that number for you guys. Some of the questions we talked about here earlier. Are you looking older than your age? Here's 5 guides to help you slow down the wrinkles. Were you out in the sun too long? Here's 4 tips to reverse the discoloration from your skin. So those were some of the things that you should be asking prospects, or think like a prospect. So like I said, if you're in the skincare business, people are dealing with acne or they've got wrinkles that have shown up and they don't know what to do. You could question your thinking when you put a campaign together and leads and offering free advice and free content. Before I conclude, a few things I wanted to share with you. First is, did you get value from this presentation today? And if you did, please drop me a comment below and let me know what you loved most. Would you use any of these tips, or have you used any of these tips before? Let me know in the comments. And also make sure to share this information with someone you feel that would benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can get that notification and when I upload new videos. And don't forget to like the content so it can be seen by many people, so I can help them more. And don't forget to share this with someone who will benefit from these contents. Second, I do have a free PDF to get more sales. Are you having trouble attracting more customers on Facebook? you can't manage to persuade 20 people to raise their hands and buy stuff. You probably know someone who posts and get thousands of likes instantly and shares. I have a cousin who does that. You can't get much engagement on Facebook with your material. Are you inclined to quit and say that social media doesn't work for me either? If this describes you, then you are not alone. Actually, not all your fault. Nearly every social media platform allows any business to reach a large audience and convert that audience into income with a low advertising fee. I have a solution, a free PDF of a pre-proven Facebook marketing package for increasing product sales. Email me with the code word free proven, and then I'll know what you're talking about, and I'll send you a copy in the subject line. So thank you again for joining me today, and have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys on the next YouTube. Bye for now.